All right, guys, this is the JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. This thing is Bluetooth compatible, Wi-Fi compatible as well. It works with Alexa, Smart Home, and Google Home. It also has a mobile app, which is JBL One. This app is going to give you some more capabilities when it comes to audio quality. So you can adjust the audio using the app. It's a really nice app. On the top here, we've got our buttons. We've got power, we've got Bluetooth, volume up, volume down, of course, skip right here, which is nice. And then we also have a moment button as well. Down here, we have our battery light indicator. That's going to give us a good idea how much battery power we have left. Again, it's kind of hard to see that in the sunlight. Now, on the back here, we have our battery port here. We have our AC connector, and we also have a USB connection. Nice flap here that does seal. So it is IP67 rated, so it's waterproof and dustproof. So if you're out in a rainstorm or you got this by the pool and it gets wet, it shouldn't be a problem. That being said, don't go throw it in the pool. Not a good idea. I am going to play some music here. It is non-copyrighted music, but I want you to hear the quality of the sound and really the performance of the bass, which is pretty impressive. A lot of power, really cool, really nice sound system. I love the fact that it has the ability, you can kind of take it to the pool, you can take it to the beach, and it does have that IP67 rating, which makes it waterproof and sandproof.